Hey guys, thanks for clicking over to Big Nate 84, and what a beautiful day it is. In this video, I will show you how to turn the ashtray of your car into an auxiliary audio input, let's say for an iPod, Zune, or any other type of MP3 player you may have. I will be using the factory radio of a 2002 GM vehicle that has no audio slave unit. Keep in mind, audio slave unit is just a technical term for external CD player or any other type of external device that is controlled by your car's radio. The auxiliary interface is the heart and soul of this project. The interface I'm using was originally made by Peripheral Electronics, and it's called the PAC-Audio. Most likely, you have a different make and model vehicle and will require a different interface. Don't worry, I will show you how to find exactly what you need. It should also be noted that Peripheral Electronics has either been bought out or changed its name to Pacific Accessory Corporation. If you'd like to subscribe, you can click on the Big Nate 84 logo. Alright, first things first, let's find out what type of interface you need. Head over to www.pac-audio.com. At the top of the page, you can select make, model, and year of your vehicle. After you fill out that information, you will be directed to another page where you can see all the products that are compatible with your specific vehicle. You'll have to pick a device that works best for what you want to do. I went with a generic analog audio input so that any MP3 player or audio source will work in my car. You can also pick iPod-specific interfaces. Make sure you read the fine print in the product description before you buy anything. Some devices are designed to work with CD changers and some without. For anyone with a 2002 GM vehicle, it looks like they discontinued the PX-GM24 and replaced it with the AAI GM12. It's not exactly the same interface, but this installation will be very similar. You will need a screwdriver, both flathead and Phillips, a socket set, coat hanger or fishing tape, 3.5mm stereo mini to dual RCA audio adapter cable, an auxiliary input interface, MP3 player and proprietary USB charging cable, USB car adapter, small piece of fabric, zip ties, electrical tape. Step 1. Remove the ashtray from the sliding compartment. It should just snap out. Step 2. Remove the dashboard. You'll need to locate and remove all the anchor points with the screwdriver and socket set. This is the most time-consuming part of the project. Step 3. Remove the factory radio. Locate the anchor points, there should be at least 3, and remove the screws. It should slide out with a little finesse. Step 4. Unplug the wire harness and antenna. Step 5. Fish the audio cable. Use a coat hanger or fishing tool to run the cable from behind the radio to the ashtray. Step 6. Connect the audio cable to the aux interface. I like to ensure a good connection by using some electrical tape on the RCAs. Step 7. Connect the auxiliary interface. First, plug the interface into the wire harness. Next, plug the other end of the interface into the back of the factory radio. It's a good idea to neaten up the rat's nest of cabling with some zip ties. Step 8. Don't forget to plug the antenna in. It can be a huge waste of time and source of frustration if you forget this step. I know from experience. Step 9. Put the radio and the dashboard back in place. Secure some fabric with glue or Velcro to the inside of the compartment. This will add a more finished look and keep the MP3 player in place. Now when you press the CD aux button on your factory radio, you can listen to your aux input source.